BILT HARD 36-inch Sawmill Installation Guide. Open the wooden crate. Remove all parts from the crate. Use the lifting hook as shown to lift the main unit. Inventory all parts. Take out the instruction manual from the manual tube and follow this video to install it. Lay out the track rails into parallel lines. Install feet at the bottom of the tracks, 3 feet per track, a total of 12. Install 2 cross beams at the front and rear of the track. Install the cross beams on the second row of bolt holes. Install the L-shaped anti-drop hooks at the 4 corners of the track. Install the 4-hole cross beam at the track joint. Install the reinforcement plate at the bottom. Install the remaining 2 cross beams evenly along the track. Note that the vertical bars and square openings are consistent. Install the sliding tube on the track. Level the bunk assembly. Pull the rope to align all cross beams at the same height. After adjustment, tighten all bolts. Insert the ejector tube 1 and 2. Tighten the T-shaped screws and hexagonal flange bolt. Insert a wooden fixing frame into the cylindrical square bracket. Hold the main unit handle and retract the locking block. Insert the tube. The left side is a square tube, and the right side is a round tube. Use the connecting plate to connect the bottom of the tube to the pulley bracket. After installing the 2 side columns and pulley bases, press the locking handle to remove the lifting equipment. Remove the rear caster of the base. Install L-shaped bracket. Reinstall the pulley and the fixing screws to tighten them. Remove the screws on the top cross beam and the side screws. Install the top beam onto the columns. Insert the connecting piece and screw in reverse to connect the top cross beam. Tighten the screw. Connect 2 plates to the panel assembly. To connecting plates, connect the left tube to the panel connecting assembly. Remove the top screw of the guide ruler and install it onto the top rightmost guide plate. Install the rear panel connecting assembly. Install the steel cable and pulleys. Install the pulleys inwards under the left side bracket. Install the turntable. Install the right side steel wire rope. Route the cable over the top pulley, around the turntable pulley, and through the upper pulley. If the cable is too short, rotate the turntable to extend it. Hook the right cable onto the inner hook. Install the left side steel cable. Route the cable over the top pulley. Pass it through the bracket and around the pulleys. Hook it onto the inner hook. Remove the hex screws and install the scale. Install the height indicator. Install the telescopic handle and the wing handle screw. Then tighten all the screws. Install the water tank bracket and tighten the bolts. Install the external fuel tank tray and tighten the screws. Install the push handle, adjust the height, and tighten the bolts. Lift the saw head onto the rails. Ensure the 4 bottom rollers are seated in the track. Lower the log stops and hooks before moving to avoid blade damage. Install the water tank and connect the water hose. Install the external fuel tank and connect the fuel line to the engine. Install the throttle cable. Do not route it near the exhaust. Organize the wiring. Install the throttle handle. Remove the emergency stop switch wire and connect it to the engine. Organize the wiring. Remove the battery and connect the wires. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal first. Then connect the red wire to the positive terminal.